Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make plans in SolidWorks. Go learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to select the plane. I am going to select front plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Select vertically and horizontally. Okay. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 80 and this line distance 120. Okay. Now this line control this line equal. Now this line vertical. Now go to fillet tools and select here 40 select and select here same distance. Okay. Now go to exit and go to feature and sweep. Now select here circular. Now give the dimension here. Now give the value 70. Now select here thin feature. Give the value 5. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here thin feature value change. Now here diameter 60. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the hair, this line quantities and select hair offset 20. Okay. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude, direction change and select hair extrude 15. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch, this face and sketch. Now draw the hair center line. Now draw the circle to hair. Give the below circle dimension 10. Okay. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude card. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now select here. This line select and select here extrude card select. Now give the value 6. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw this line quantities and go to offset here. Give the value 20. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude, direction change Okay. Now go to again here this face and sketch. Now draw the center line, this point and this point making center line. Now draw the circle from midpoint and give the value circle 10. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. This box select this circle and here select extrude cut. Now select here 6. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here select plain white. Now go to here select color. Now select here select. Now select color. This color select. Okay. Now this line go to here. This line show and this line height. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now you can here select plain white. No need. Shaded and shaded with this. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box. Our online class 1-to-1 you can join anywhere in the world. Our class time morning 10 a.m. to night 11 p.m.